In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Personal Hotspot on iPhone. Turn your iPhone into a Wi-Fi router in 30 seconds. Here's how to share your cellular connection with any device, anywhere. Personal Hotspot is one of those iPhone features that's incredibly useful once you know how to use it properly. Whether your home Wi-Fi is down or you need internet on your laptop while traveling, this feature is a lifesaver. Setting it up is super simple. Go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. Your iPhone will create a Wi-Fi network that other devices can connect to. The network name is usually your iPhone's name, and the password is generated automatically. Here are some settings you should know about. You can change the Wi-Fi password by tapping Wi-Fi password and entering something more memorable. Just make sure it's at least 8 characters long for security. The allow others to join toggle is important. When it's on, other devices can see and connect to your hotspot. When it's off, you'll need to manually connect devices each time, which is more secure but less convenient. Battery life is the biggest concern with hotspots. Your iPhone will drain faster when sharing its connection, so consider plugging it in if you'll be using it for a while. You can also set it to automatically turn off when no devices are connected to save battery. Speed-wise, you'll get roughly the same internet speed as your cellular connection, but split between all connected devices. So if you have 5 devices connected, each one gets about 1/5 of your total speed. Important reminder, hotspot usage counts against your cellular data plan. Streaming videos or downloading large files can eat through your data quickly, so keep an eye on your usage in Settings, Cellular. Thanks for watching.